All right, guys, I just want to give you a run through of the setup that we run here at All Washed Up. This is a single axle trailer with a 250-gallon water tote for a buffer tank, split into two 5.5-gallon per minute pressure washer setups. One here is a Honda IGX 390 key start, 5.5-gallon with the downstream injector. Got that from Georgia Airless. Zach over there had got it for me when I was in a bind about 2 years ago. Got it to me in about 2 days. It was like $2,400 shipped, something like that. Slap it on the trailer, good to go. I had the Predator running. That was the cause of the problem, was the pump on this had gone out after use. So I built another setup when I started doing, had a larger job and needed more gallons per minute. So I ordered a gear setup from Russell over at Southside Equipment. Everything comes in a package. Me and my daughter actually built it in our living room. Then I came, slapped it out on the trailer, plumbed it together off of a T with 2 filters from the feed. Then together with our Siamese with a kit I got from Trudy at Panhandle with the check valves. And those Siamese together give me 11 gallons per minute at the gun. Measured that with a bucket measure. I actually was getting more than that at one point, which was weird. And so I run that with a 24-inch Whisper Wash surface washer off of a ball valve. And then we rinse with ball valve too. When we have both of them cranked up, we got to do a bigger job, or even residential driveways, cuts the time in a third. I can wash the driveway with these both running, probably a normal size driveway like I have, which is like a, call it a 4-car, 5-car, whatever. You can wash that 25 minutes start to finish. Makes it a quick work. So if you have a question, if you want to just run 2 systems together to Siamese them to get more gallons per minute, highly recommended. If you don't have the money to go out and buy a 10-gallon setup or bigger, you know, guys running 20, 30-gallon setups. But we also run 200 foot of pressure hose, 200 foot of water feed line, and then we batch mix, still doing downstreaming. Works great. If we have to do anything that's more than that, I have an X-Jet and or I just pump spray if that get the job done. So that's how we're going to do it for now. Probably switch to something maybe down the road that will give us a little bit more percentage when we're doing stucco and concrete. That's a little stubborn, maybe save us some time there. So eventually we'll go to back to a heated setup. I originally had a heated 4-gallon setup when I first started. Probably was a waste of money, to be honest. I should have just spent the money and gone 8-gallon. But here we are. So eventually I'll probably just get another trailer and get a bigger setup for bigger projects. So our first wash of the season will be on Thursday, at least house wash wise. We've done some commercial work. That's why the trailer is dirty now. It needs to be cleaned up. And then we have a bunch of commercial work we got to get done by 3rd week of March. So we are on a roll, hopefully. And here's to 25 and everybody else out there washing. Good luck. And if Red Bull wants to sponsor us this year, we are more than open to it. We like Red Bull.